What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to feature a couple of styles that I like to do with my passion twist. I've had them in for about a couple of weeks now and I just love how it's a look by itself, but I love the versatility that you can get with the various styles. And I'm pleased because I really fleeked this. My parting was not the best, as you can see in the tutorial. If you haven't already watched it, be sure to check it out. For the first time and no help, honey, we did this. So yeah, I really love it. And so this is one of my favorite styles that I've been rocking currently, the little side ponytail. I feel regal. I feel like I'm a boss. I feel like I'm a queen. Okay, so yeah, this is just one way that I like to wear it, and this tutorial is just going to feature the different ways I like to style it. So stay tuned, enjoy the ride. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. If you want makeup details on this look, you can check out the previous video as well to see how I achieved this look, and what goodies and all that I have on my face will be listed and described and described and demoed in the previous tutorial. So be sure to check that out. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this one. Let's get it.
We're gonna have to go there.